Hello guys and welcome to Crypto Gems. In today's video we're going to talk about Platonic Printers, which is a collection of 5,555 NFTs with real world utility, just about to launch this April. Obviously nothing I say on this channel is financial advice, so always go away and do your own research before investing any of your own money into anything we talk about. Without further ado, let's jump into today's video. Okay guys, so jumping over to Printitfast.com, which is linked down below in the description. You can see that this is an NFT project about printers, which is something perhaps slightly unusual if you've been looking at NFTs before. So what exactly is Platonic Printers? What are they all about? Well, first of all, we can see the artwork is kind of a cool take on different printers. And Platonic Printers own a printer, print whatever you wish. Platonic Printers NFT is a collection of 5,555 unique hand-drawn NFTs hosted on the Polygon Blockchain that come with a real utility. Buy one and unlock the power of cheap printing. Think of it as a solid investment, ideal for anyone interested in giveaways, opening a shop, or for personal use. A bit different from anything that we've sort of seen before on NFTs, because mostly NFTs are much more kind of, I guess, hyped up, where people are kind of excited about parties and games and loads of other stuff that perhaps you never thought you needed and potentially you probably don't need. But ultimately, if you own a small business, or perhaps if you have other requirements such as schools, etc., then you can use reduced printing at super cheap costs, which potentially could be a sound business investment. And this is more looking at a sound business investment or a fun way to make something that you have to do within a business kind of more exciting and affordable. Now you can see here it's been inspired by Printitfast, which is one of the most popular apps for printing, basically where you can upload pictures from your phone through either the App Store or through Google Play, and then you can get those things sent back to you in super quick time, whether that's just pictures, whether that might be flyers, posters, etc. guys. So actually this is kind of cool, especially someone who grew up in a time sort of before digital cameras and stuff where you had to go and print out your pictures. Didn't mean that you had lots of pictures and things in your house, that perhaps now all of your pictures are stored on your iPhone or whatever phone you're using, and then you go and lose your phone and then you don't have access to any of your old photos. So maybe it's cool that you're being encouraged to kind of print off photos, etc. And the most exciting perks that you get, guys, is you get cheap cost prices for printing. You unlock the power of cheap printing with a super competitive pricing for all products. They'll offer huge discounts, so either way you get more for your money. And you can check out NFT holders prices below, which we'll do in a moment. There's loads of giveaways, beanbags, totes, hoodies, you name it. And also, guys, you can think printing onto t-shirts. Ultimately, you're going to be able to buy gifts for people for the rest of your life for potentially a very cheap amount of money, because you can just use this NFT for its main utility. And the whole point of doing it through an NFT, guys, want to just make it kind of more interesting and fun, and perhaps just a different way to sort of change the business model and make it kind of more interesting for everyone involved. Looking down below, guys, you can see the different NFTs. All these hand-drawn printers are actually pretty cool, but unique, something I've not really seen before. Potentially, you know, by holding these NFTs, guys, because of the artwork being kind of unique and pretty cool, in time, even if you're not just using them for utility, they could potentially grow in value because of their collectability. Looking down here, guys, you can see the roadmap. Pre-mint date 25th of April, so you've still got some time. And there's also a public sale date. We're going to look at how you can get onto a whitelist in just a moment. As well as that, on May the 8th, there's going to be a $50 gift card for everyone who is going to go and own one of these NFTs. And there's going to be NFT giveaways. There's going to be giveaways of like canvas prints for walls. Loads of cool stuff, actually, guys. Loads of stuff that's actually pretty cool that you might not have considered before. And then Platonic Room, get ready to redecorate your room from wallpaper to bed cover. And there's other giveaways later on in the year. One lucky holder will receive a $1,000 gift card with 2 hours with an interior designer, which could be kind of really cool. And then also more giveaways and also things later down the line to come. So this NFT will give you a $150 printful gift card for the first year. As well as that, kind of like lifetime access, of we're talking to cost price printing and other NFT drops and giveaways that they're going to have through the year. The pricing set at 300 Matic pre-sale and then 400 Matic at public sale later on. And I'm going to show you how to get onto the pre-sale in just a moment. In order to buy one, you just need a MetaMask wallet with Matic in it, and go over to the Discord and find out exactly the instructions from there. But also, going to the Discord, we can get ourselves onto whitelist. So let's look at how we're going to do that now. Coming over to the Discord, guys, all you need to do is click on how to be whitelisted to find out how to get whitelisted. At the moment it says invite 25 people to join the server. If you've been in the NFT game for any time at all, you'll know that 25 people to invite to a server is pretty massive. I'm sure it will probably change. However, if you come in early, guys, and this is very, very early, and interact with the community, perhaps invite a couple of your friends, then I'm sure you're more than likely to be able to get involved on a whitelist. We've been told by the team that if you can get in early, then whitelisting should be very easy for you. And later on, once it starts to build up, as with any NFT project, it becomes more and more competitive and more difficult. The Discord link along with the website link will be down in the description below, guys, so make sure you come and check it out afterwards and get yourself onto the whitelist. You can always decide at a later date that you don't need to take the whitelist, who knows, but there's a really useful and interesting utility associated with this NFT, so I think if you're going to be interested in getting on the whitelist, then it's probably something you're going to want to buy. Jumping across their Twitter, guys, you can see joined just last month, already over 1,000 followers, and after sort of marketing, etc. goes out, more and more people talking about it, I'm expecting this to grow very quickly. As well as that, guys, come over here, like and retweet, promoting to other people, and that will give you access potentially to winning free NFTs, winning places on whitelist, and much more. You can see that they're really pushing this now, guys. 150 whitelist spots is quite a lot, but as the project grows, guys, I guarantee that that number will shrink and it'll be harder to get your hands on. So do not miss out on any opportunities to get your hands on whitelist, free NFTs, etc. Always give NFT projects follows on Twitter and use Twitter as your tool for making money with NFTs because it's the best place to be for it. So just to recap, guys, Platonic Printers is a collection of 5,555 NFTs with the real world utility that you'll get discounts and loads of free stuff when it comes to printing, allowing you to send pictures and stuff from your phone and get those prints delivered to your house. All the artwork is hand drawn and very unique, so potentially this could be a really exciting project, and it's still very early. Make sure you check out the links down in the description if you want to go across to the Discord in order to get on the whitelist, as well as that to get over to the website if you want to find out more information. I hope you've enjoyed today's content. If you have, then make sure you smash the like button. It helps us out more than you know. And if you're new to the channel and you haven't already subscribed to Crypto Gems, make sure you subscribe to find out the latest happening in NFTs, crypto, and the metaverse. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you have a great week, and I'll see you soon with another video. Bye-bye.